curious to how you can also build this entire interface in 5 minutes using Gemini 3.0 and it didn't cost you a single dollar? Well, you are on the right place. Welcome to AI Chief. I'm Clay Fletcher. I test the latest AI tools and show you the ones that genuinely speed up your workflow. And if you like weekly prompts, curated tools, and tutorials, the free AI Chief newsletter is always linked below. Now let's see how Gemini turns a simple prompt into a complete website. Before we build anything, here's one example. This entire layout came from a single prompt, no manual edits. It's structured, readable, and looks like something you could genuinely hand to a developer. So, do you want to build your website from scratch? Here's how you can do it. Open Google AI Studio, and the first thing you'll see is this box that says describe your idea. This is where everything begins. Make sure the model selected is Gemini 3 Pro Preview. Now, describe the page you want. A clear prompt gives better structure. Enter the prompt, pause, and then press Build. That button opens the full Gemini workspace, the file system on the left, the code in the center, and a live preview on the right. And this is where the real magic happens. Gemini starts generating the project files one by one. Components, layout, styling, everything appears automatically. And as soon as each part is ready, the preview updates instantly. You don't install anything. You don't copy code. The page simply builds itself. With the foundation ready, let's bring the design to life. Now we'll shape the visual style. Instead of editing files manually, we describe the adjustments we want. Gemini updates the styling across the project, and the preview refreshes with the new look. Want to extend the page a little further? Then, watch the next mind-blowing step. Gemini creates the new component, places it in the right spot, and matches it to the design system automatically. And before we wrap up, let me show you something a little different. Gemini can actually turn a sketch or a rough photo into a real, usable interface. It looks at the image, understands the structure, and transforms it into a functional layout with components, styling, and a clean hierarchy. It's one of the fastest ways to bring an idea to life without ever touching code. And the best part is, you can try all of this for free. Gemini 3.0 is available in this workspace with a free tier or preview, so you can build sites exactly like this without paying anything. Just open AI Studio, choose Gemini 3.0, and you're ready to create. Let me give you a few quick prompting tips that keep results consistent. First, describe the sections you want. Second, describe the style. And third, tell Gemini how to organize the project. These simple cues make a huge difference in the final result. And that's how you build a complete UI in minutes with Gemini 3.0, starting with nothing more than a prompt. If this helped you, subscribe to AI Chief and join the free newsletter for more tools, prompts, and breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.